Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Spots wallet to your P2P wallet on the Binance platform. I will show you how to do this on your computer as well as the Binance mobile app, so you can use whichever method is more convenient for you. Note that Binance recently changed all the transactions on P2P wallet to funding wallet, so your funding wallet is now acting as your previous P2P wallet. So all the P2P transactions are deducted from the funding wallet, so instead of transferring our coin to P2P wallet, we transfer to the funding wallet for our P2P transaction. Now just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content, and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. On your computer, this is the first page you see when you log into your Binance account. You can get to your Spots wallets by hovering the wallet section at the top right corner here, selecting Fiat and Spots, and it will take you to this page. There are different ways to do this transfer, but I'll show you the fastest way. From your Spots wallet, click on Transfer at the top of your page. It will open this page that shows you where you're transferring from, as well as where you're transferring to. Right now you can see, I'm transferring from my Spots wallet, but it's going to my cross-margin wallet, so I don't want that. I want it to go to my funding wallet, so I will click this arrow beside cross-margin, and I will select funding. I will search for the coin I want to transfer by clicking this arrow, and then searching for the coin. I want to transfer XRP, so I will just type the name of the coin in this search bar here, and it will bring it up. Once it brings it up, I'll click on it. It will ask me for the amount of the coin I want to transfer. If you want to transfer everything, you will click Use Max Amount, but you can enter the amount you want to transfer right here. Once you've done that, click on Confirm. It will tell you that the transfer was successful. And now when I go to my funding wallet by clicking Funding from here, you will see that the coin is in my funding wallet because it has been transferred, and on top of the page, you will see the value of the coin in the currency that you use in. To do the same thing on your mobile app, click on Wallet, is the icon on the bottom right of your screen. It will open up Spots wallet by default, or the last one that you used. If another one is selected, just close the top of the page and select your Spots wallet, click on Transfer. It will show you which wallet is transferring from and which wallet is transferring to. Make sure that the wallet it is transferring from is your Spot wallet and the wallet is transferring to is your funding wallet. If there's anything else in the To field, right now my To field is showing funding wallet, but if there's anything else there, just click on it and select from the list. Now select the coin you want to transfer. By default it will show you Bitcoin, but you can click on the arrow beside Bitcoin. I select the coin you want to transfer. If you don't see the coin you want to transfer at the top of the list, type in the name in the search bar and click on it when it comes up. Enter the amount of the coin that you want to transfer. In this case I'm transferring everything, so I'll click on Max and then click on Confirm Transfer. You'll see a message telling you that the transfer was successful. You can either click Go to Trade to begin trading or click on Cancel. Once you go back to your funding wallet, you will see that your coins have been transferred there and the value will be displayed at the top. So that's how you transfer your crypto from a Spots wallet to your funding wallet for your P2P transactions. If you found this video useful, then hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one.